If you are looking for the fastest ways to make money during this period while you are at home, or you have been retrenched from your place of work and you're looking for another means of income, I'm talking about money that you are getting immediately as you are doing your business. Trust me, this video is definitely for you. You need to watch till the end of this video to get all the juicy, amazing tips. Now, that said, let's jump into the video. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Elijah and this is Frankly Speaking with Glory. So guys, I am super excited this morning because I've been thinking, a lot about what sort of information or knowledge to give on to you guys on how to make money during this period that you have been at home. Everybody is in the same situation together, maybe to an extent, maybe not, And then it occurred to me that I have been seeing a lot of trends going on online, and I just felt like, wow, Glory, you can definitely share this information to your subscribers on your YouTube channel. So guys, I am super excited to be doing this, and let me start. Now, the first thing you should ask yourself is, what are the two most craziest things that are plaguing the world at the moment, especially Nigerians in Nigeria? Yeah, and it occurred to me that the two most crazy things that are currently plaguing everybody is the coronavirus pandemic and hunger pandemic in Nigeria, especially. I don't know about a lot of other African countries, or just look around you, right? Wherever you are based, wherever you are watching this video from, there are definitely two things or one thing that's currently plaguing everybody around you. But I'm going to speak for Nigeria now because I am currently based in Nigeria and this is where I know best. All right, so coronavirus pandemic and hunger pandemic, those two things are definitely plaguing Nigerians. And it's crazy because people have been expecting for weeks, the government to keep to their promise, keep to their word by giving us relief materials that they have promised us. But a lot of people have still not seen anything. I haven't seen anything. I don't know if you have seen anything. I know of only one person that has seen palliatives, and that person got it from their counselor, from their constituent or something like that. So we can no longer wait for the government to come and give us relief materials. Instead, let us go ahead and use the little skills that we have to make our own life easier. Now guys, that said, coronavirus, hunger pandemic, how do you cash out from these two pandemics? How do you make money out of these two crazy situations? Now, for the coronavirus, you can first of all make face masks. I would have said that you should make hand sanitizers, but hand sanitizers at this point in time, it's sort of like a cliche, fastest way to make money, because a lot of people, they have bought lots and lots of hand sanitizers, so they have stores of them in their houses. But you can still go ahead and make hand sanitizers if you are able to sell them fast. But another thing that's actually seriously selling faster than hand sanitizers currently are face masks. And these days, if you check online, you're going to see varieties, different versions of face masks. Trust me, if you have an extra Ankara material in your house that you are not making use of, I'm telling you, you can literally create your own face mask. If you have a lot of materials, maybe just materials, basically, the kind of materials like cloth materials that you bought, you probably wanted to use it to sew clothes for an occasion, not an expensive Ashebi material. People should not go and say, Glory said I should go and use Ashebi material. No, but you have materials in your house. I'm talking about the ones that you have overused and overused and overused. Please, let's be nice and kind and be considerate to the people that we're going to sell these things off to, okay? But in the absence of you having your own materials, you can as well, wear the face masks that you have currently, and go out there to the market. Markets are open currently on certain days, of course. Go out there, buy materials, and come back home and make your own face mask. Very simple, very easy. All you need to do is just look at the structure of the current face mask that you have, or what a regular face mask is, and then you can create your own face mask out of it. Okay, and how do you sell it? You can start by supplying it to probably that small store that is on your street or in your compound. Let people know that you are selling them, and then supply to them and sell it. Okay, and you don't have to put too much prices on it. You can sell it for like 500. A lot of people are even going as far as selling their crazy built face masks for prices like 2,000 naira, 2,500 naira. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to be too greedy, because in as much as you are trying to make money for yourself, you are also trying to provide a sort of service to people that do not have the luxury of getting it. So you don't want to be too greedy. So my advice is create the face mask and sell it for minimum of 500 or a maximum of 1,000. It depends on how you want to do it, okay? But don't be too greedy, don't go too over the top, okay? So guys, face mask is one of the most sought after commodity currently in Nigeria, and it is as a result of the fact that face mask, especially in Lagos State, has been made a must. Everybody in Lagos State must wear a face mask, and that is the reason why face masks are the most sought after commodity in Nigeria at the moment. Everywhere you go is people wearing face masks. So if you're thinking of a fast way, in fact the fastest way to make money currently, even if you probably have other means and you just want an extra hustle, then face mask is definitely the way to go. Now the second fastest way to make money during this period is cooking and delivering food. Oh, before I go into that, I want to say that for those people who are still scared of going out or who do not want to be in contact of them and their customers, you can also utilize delivery services by delivering the face mask. So if you are on any social media platform, you can utilize that platform by announcing on there that you actually sell face mask for so amount. You can even use the method of giving a discount, like if people buy 5, instead of them paying, if you're selling for 500, instead of them paying 2,500, you can sell 5 for 2,000 naira. That's a very easy way of making money and also not being too greedy, about it. And so moving on to the next way of making money easily, hands down, it is cooking. Guys, there are this group of people that I follow on Snapchat. These people did not even know how to cook jack before, but ever since the lockdown started, they sent somebody or got their customer from the market to supply them with tons of food stuff in their houses. So what they do now is in the morning they cook breakfast, in the afternoon they make lunch, in the evening they make small finger foods. So guys, you can definitely do the same thing. In the morning you can just make breakfast or something and announce via every social media platform that you have to people that you actually sell and deliver food. And by your own self, you can place an amount, place a price on how much you want to sell the food, and trust me, people will definitely buy. There are people that are very lazy to cook. There are people that even whilst at home, they are still working and they do not even have the luxury of time of going shopping to buy things to come and cook. So they are looking for people that will make their lives easy. Remember, a lot of these people that are working from home now, they are used to working at the office and then buying food from Mama Put. But now Mama Put is not really everywhere, all over the places right now, so they are looking for people that will just make their life easy. They are looking for people that they will just call and say, hey, supply me food, and the person will supply, and they are ready to pay. So what I can advise you to do is start cooking. If you do not know how to cook, get your partner in your house that you're living with to also cook with you. Get all these small takeaway packs. Markets are open, as I have said. Go to the market, buy these takeaway packs, and start selling food and delivering food. That is one of the fastest way, guys, to make money. I can vouch for it because I have a food business and I know how it works. And talking about delivery people these days, they charge 1,000 naira, 1,500 naira, depending on your client's location. So you can strike up a bargain with your clients and tell them that they will pay for the delivery while you deliver the food, and then they can pay for the food. So another thing is you can also send your account details to them, and then they pay the money for the food into your account directly. Now some of you might ask, like, oh my god, how do I advertise myself? Trust me, if you are not on any social media platform and you are watching this video right now, then I am sure that you have a smartphone and you possibly have WhatsApp on your phone. So your WhatsApp status is one of the first means of advertising any of these businesses you want to start. Okay, so start by advertising on your WhatsApp status, and you can also send the WhatsApp broadcast to all the contacts on your phone and let them know that, hey, I am making face masks now, I'm selling, who is interested? Or you can say, hey, I'm making I'm cooking food now, I'm a chef, who is interested? Tell a friend of a friend of a friend, or tell anybody in your circle, my customer might be in your circle. That is my catchphrase. Okay, so guys, that said, these are just the two fastest ways of making money at this point. And remember, the reason I am calling these two ways the fastest ways, it's because these two ways tend to partially cater to the two major pandemics that we are going through in the country at the moment. So guys, I want you guys, no, let me not say I want you, I encourage you, go in there, kick everybody's ass. May the odds be in your favor as you put to work these two tips that I have told you guys. And I look forward to hearing your testimonies in the comment section below. So guys, let me know how it goes. And I'm really excited that I actually did this. Anyways, that's all for this particular episode of Frankly Speaking with Glory. I will see you guys in my next video. Do have an amazing day. Bye.